Mastering subject-verb agreement. Make your English sentences sound right. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're tackling an essential topic in English grammar: subject-verb agreement. Don't worry, it might sound a little complicated, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it and be able to use it correctly in your sentences. Let's dive right in. So, what is subject-verb agreement? Simply put, it means the subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number. That is, a singular subject needs a singular verb, and a plural subject needs a plural verb. This might seem straightforward, but English can be tricky sometimes, and we need to be mindful of specific rules. Consider these two sentences. 1. The cat is sleeping on the chair. 2. The cats are sleeping on the chair. In the first sentence, the subject, cat, is singular, so we use the singular verb, is. In the second sentence, cats, is plural, so we use the plural verb, are. Pretty straightforward, right? But let's dive a bit deeper. Sometimes, identifying the correct form of verb gets a bit tricky. For example, when the sentence contains collective nouns, indefinite pronouns, or subjects joined by or, nor. Let's take a look at these. Collective nouns, like team, class, audience, etc., are usually followed by a singular verb because they imply a single unit. The team is ready for the match. Indefinite pronouns, like everybody, everyone, everything, nobody, etc., also usually take a singular verb. Everyone is excited about the trip. When subjects are joined by or, nor, the verb should agree with the subject that is nearest to it. Neither the coach nor the players are ready to concede defeat. Remember these rules, and you'll be a pro at subject-verb agreement in no time. Practice is key in mastering any new concept, and subject-verb agreement is no exception. Here's a little exercise. Identify the correct verb in the brackets. 1. Neither the dogs nor the cat are willing to play. 2. Everybody have to submit their assignment by tomorrow. 3. A number of solutions have been proposed. Done? Great! The correct sentences are: 1. Neither the dogs nor the cat is willing to play. 2. Everybody has to submit their assignment by tomorrow. 3. A number of solutions have been proposed. These exercises will help you cement your understanding of subject-verb agreement. Well, that's a wrap on subject-verb agreement. Remember, it's all about ensuring your subject and verb match in number. It's a crucial part of making your English sound right and natural. Keep practicing, and soon, it will become second nature. As always, thanks for joining me on this grammar adventure. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!